What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on POLYGON MATIC. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that will drive not only the stock market but also the crypto market as well. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. And I've told you that we complete 3 out of 5 waves on this scale, and the third wave was with the truncated 5th wave, and I think it is one of the probable outcomes for this price action. And right here I've told you that if we want to have more bullishness with this movement, we shouldn't overlap the territory of the first one, and right here we were extremely close to this range and we have very good reaction. And this reaction shows that a lot of investors and a lot of traders entered their position in order to have next leg to the upside. But unfortunately we had a rollover and we went to the ranges of about $1.59, and from this range I think we found the bottom of our 4th wave, and we have to form our next leg to the upside. So what should we expect next and what are the price targets and what should you do? I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. First of all, let's start with the total market cap. For now, we are sitting at $1.99 trillion of total market cap. It is a 4.57% increase over the last day, and all major cryptocurrencies are in green, and it is a very good sign. And let me show you the Polygon numbers. For now, it has about $13.81 billion of total market cap. It is a 7.14% increase over the last day, and the total tradable volume is $1.2 billion. It is also 14.17% increase over the 24 hours period. And definitely the movement to the upside with the increase in volume is a very good technical sign, and I have to say that most likely we will see the trend continuation. So, what was the reason of this massive movement to the upside for entire crypto industry? First of all, let me show you this. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it says: Stock market news live updates. Stocks rally after Russia reports pullback of military troops. And let me quote you this. Wall Street's main benchmarks rallied on Tuesday as investors went a potential de-escalation of geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine. Following news, some Russian military units will start returning to their permanent bases after completing drills near the Ukrainian border. And this news drives all the markets up. As you can see, all the indexes are in green. And definitely with the high correlation in between stock market and the crypto market, we have increase in price of Bitcoin. And this is the catalyst for entire crypto industry. On top of that, let me show you that on February 16th we have this article, and it says Russian ministry pushes to legalize Bitcoin mining in some areas. And the subtitle is: The Ministry of Economic Development believes mining should be allowed where energy is abundant, mirroring thoughts from President Vladimir Putin. And I have to say that this is a very good news overall, because Russia for now is on the 3rd place, right after the United States and Kazakhstan, on mining capacities. And that's why this news might also be beneficial for the crypto markets. On top of that, let me show you the news related directly to Polygon. And we have this article that was published on February 15th, and it says: Billionaire shark says he owns a lot of Ethereum and Polygon. And let me quote you this. Billionaire investor and entrepreneur Mark Cuban said in a recent interview that he has a lot of Ethereum and Polygon. And literally he said, Bitcoin's a great store of value, but Ethereum and Polygon that I both own a lot of, you can start to see the utility. And this statement was also a catalyst for the price of Polygon. And that's why we have this movement to the upside from its lowest point to current range. Let me show it to you. It has about 14, almost 15% of this movement during just a couple of days. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? Let me show you that we have a very good movement to the downside, and I nailed the majority of these waves. And right here we had a very good bounce, and this bounce was right after I nailed the bullish divergence, and we have this movement as a diagonal. Diagonal means that we have an overlap in the waves, and we cannot hit higher targets with this movement because of its nature. But all in all, diagonal usually occurs in the first waves, and this means we might see much higher price targets with our most powerful wave, and usually it is the third one. Third wave on a slightly greater scale. So what should we expect next? As usual, as I told you on my previous video, you can accumulate your investment position with this asset on every daily red candle, and in my opinion we might have slight pullback from our current ranges because we have very good increase in volume and this movement is quite sharp. That's why we have to have a small retracement to hit some levels. Potentially this range of support / resistance might hold the price action, and then we might hit higher targets. And to project our short-term target, we have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave, and if it is the case, if it is the truncated third wave, we have to pull it to this top, not to this one. And third point, at the bottom of the retracement. And what do we have here? We have good confluence with our swing top, and it is the price point of $2.05. Next one-to-one extension at $2.18. And next range is $2.54, but I think we won't hit it because of the diagonal origin of this wave. That's why I think the range of $2.18 might be our primary target for the top of the fifth wave on this scale. Then we should have a retracement, and the next leg to the upside will be massive. And let me show you on a greater scale. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, we might have the range of our top of the B wave right here as our next major resistance, and it is the price point of $2.44. And from our current range, if you enter your position right here and you're quite tolerant to potential losses of about 12% because you have to put your stop loss slightly below previous swing low, then your upside potential might be up to 36%. But if you will accumulate your position all the way down, your potential profits might be up to maybe even 50%, 45 to 50% to this previous range. And in my opinion, we might hit it by the beginning of March. Then again, we should have some kind of retracement, but everything will depend on the structure of this movement. And then I will do another update to project new targets and new potential price action. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. In my opinion, Polygon is very bullish right now, and it technically has a very good chances to hit its all-time high in upcoming months. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!